Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video on this Porsche Cayenne with the base model. This one is 2016. Alright, so 2016 Porsche Cayenne. I'm gonna do an oil change. This one is a inline 6, well, or VR6, yeah. Gonna open this cover like this. You're just gonna pull it off. It's just the grommet here that's holding out by these little one. I open the oil fill cap and then I'm gonna raise the car up. So after you raise the car, there's supposed to be a cover, but for some reason this cover is not here. So the oil drain plug is this one. It's a 19 millimeter. If you go aftermarket, it will be 18. The oil filter is right there. This job is very messy if the oil filter is hard to come out. But yeah, we're gonna grab a wrench, or you can get a swivel head with a wobble socket. Then you can go over here, like right there. Then you can have an angle to take out the bolts. Let me get my stuff and I'll get to it. So once you undo the drain plug, the oil is just gonna drain, and then we're gonna let it finish draining, and we're gonna put another drain plug in. So I just want to tell you guys about the oil filter. So if you look at it, you see that? On the top, there's like a little silver cap. So that's actually the drain for the filter, because this oil filter is so messy. Yeah, so we're gonna undo that drain and let it drain all the oil, or if any. Then yeah, we're gonna undo that and wait for like 2-3 minutes. So for the oil drain plug gasket, it's actually come with the drain plug. The part number I have is this. This is a part number. Yeah, so you would like to change it like every time, just because, you know, the washer, I mean, you can reuse it, but I like to change it. I mean, the drain plug is about $8, but save an engine, right? And then we're just gonna put this in. This. Oh, don't touch the oil. Yeah, we're just gonna put it in and tighten it down to a 30 Newton meter right here for this one. And then we're gonna show you how to do the oil filter. It's messy, but yeah. So once you take out the 6 hex, it's just gonna like drip like that. So just be very careful. See, everywhere. So yeah, just be very careful. It's just gonna make a mess. So after it start dripping, then you can put this piece back to the filter cap. And then we're gonna grab another oil filter wrench to get the housing out. So right now this is hard to film, but basically I have a super long extension right here and a 36 millimeter socket there. So we're just gonna loosen that. So just be careful. I know you already drained it, but there will be more oil coming out. So just be careful. This is messy, but still that's the only way to get it out. I'm just gonna do it with both hands, and I'll show you guys once I take it out. So once you loosen the filter, you'll find that you actually cannot get it out from anywhere underneath. So to do this, how I like to do it, I like to separate this first, and then I take out the filter from here. And then with this cap, you go through here, and then there's an opening right there. You see this? You move in, and then you can take it out like this. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. So for the new oil filter, this is the part number that I have. And then there's a gasket. The gasket actually goes right here. The gasket goes right here. This one. Not this one, but this one. The very bottom one. So the gasket go right here. And then I will put in the cap first. And then I will put in the filter after. And I'll join them together here, and I'll screw it in. I think that's the easiest way to do it. It's just this one right here. The gasket goes right here. So right now I tighten everything. I tighten the oil filter, and yeah, I'm just gonna lower the car and add oil. So this car actually take a 0-30, and then we're gonna add the 6.5 liter. So right now we're gonna add the oil. As you can see, this one is a C30 right there, C30 Porsche. So this is the oil that we need to use. I believe it's a 6.5 liter to start. So add 6.5 and check the oil level. So right now I started the car, and then I add 6.5 liter. Just gonna wait for this one to show. So it takes around like a couple of minutes because the oil temperature needs to go up. Once it goes up, then it will show the oil level. So I'm gonna grab my scanner and reset the service reminder, which is this one. So this one, you do need a service reminder. You need a scanner to reset it. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna show you on the scanner. So on the scanner, you wanna go to service reset. Right here. And this one we're doing the, I believe it's the oil change, right? Yeah, this one we did the oil change, so we're gonna reset the oil change service. It's right there, oil change service. So after that, it should be oil change, 365 days and 1,500 kilometers. I mean 15,000, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until the engine warms up and then the oil level will show.